The eco-worthy 30-ampere solar charger controller is a versatile device compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, ensuring it meets various solar charging needs. Equipped with dual USB ports, it allows convenient charging of mobile devices, making it a practical choice for those on the go. This solar controller offers multiple protection functions, including short circuit, open circuit, reverse, and overload protection, enhancing safety and reliability. It supports different battery types such as lead-acid, gel, and lithium phosphate, automatically shutting off if the battery voltage drops below 8 volts to protect battery life. The built-in LCD display provides clear status and data information, making it easy to switch modes and configure parameters for different applications. Installation is straightforward with clear instructions, and it includes dual mosfet reverse current protection to ensure low heat production during operation.